If you know, if you're Liberian, you know what this is. This is the shrine. We in the shrine right now. It's the palm wine shrine, right?
Yeah, nah. The whole
Palm
power pole right here.
official palm wine shrine right here. So we're gonna reopen and close it, right? Volume. Please record this stuff. Palm wine shrine.
Gotta take down.
First battle.
See me out looking now. So go, so one.
Oh, let me hold that one. Let me hold it.
Behind the pole, though. That's the pole fence here.
We're taking this palm wine. We're taking it to Monrovia. I'm driving tonight, so I can't drink and drive. We gotta observe the rules. So I'm taking it to the city. I sit in the couch. And you know what else gonna
From
happen?
Buchanan City to Monrovia City.
Buchanan here. We're in the local shrine right now. See the people over there? They're paying them respect. We got one of our boys that paying them respect. Got this old place there. Palm wine shrine. The pool is right behind our house over there.
Yeah, Buchanan Port.
What's that? What's that?
I see one down there.
I seen one, but we're not food.
Yeah, forget about it. Shit. Give me a cover.
Go, don't just open it down.
If you
lose all.
Sure, come closer, hold on. Those of you that don't know what this is the original recipe for what you now call wine and champagne. This came from a tree. Show them the tree. The palm tree. This tree. Show them the tree. Please show them the tree. The palm tree. That tree right there. Black, go touch the tree. Let me show you. This tree right here. All of this tree. All of this tree. That's the liquid in this tree after the people they do what they're supposed to do, especially that's the liquid that comes out from this tree.
Yeah, we drink it. Palm wine.
You
Original
understand?
wine.
Original wine.
From God to man.
That's what I believe the European came and saw and started doing wine and other stuff. But that's the operation here. Natural wine. Natural wine. We're at the shrine right now. So all these trees are all what this liquid came from. An African or Liberian would know what a palm wine is. But if you're watching this and you're not a Liberian and you decide to visit Liberia, ask any Liberian to take you to a palm wine shrine and get you the natural palm wine. The natural herbs. You know, some people have a myth, they have a belief that it works like a Viagra sometimes. Some people say it helps with heart attack. Some people say it helps purify your blood. It's just so many things because it grew from this tree and you know the tree is natural, so a lot of people have their belief about it. I'm not no doctor, I'm not no scientist. I wouldn't know. I don't know how to do an experiment, but I'm here to just show you that there are other things in this world that you may not seen or know about. But this is Africa, man. Everything natural is in Africa. Let me show you the tree. Let me show you one of the smallest trees that the palm came from. So that wine right now came from this right here. So I mean they don't harvest it here, but usually what they'll do, they will cut this part out or something and they'll pluck something in it. I don't know how to plug something in it. All the juices will come out. Once the juices come out, that's about it. No addition, no sugar, no nothing. But it tastes sweet. It tastes sweet. It tastes good. It tastes like a wine, and it can knock you out like a wine as well. So this tree is a palm tree. You know, that's the tree that grows the palm. If you know palm oil or palm anything else that you know about, this is the palm tree. There's a tree that grows the palm here. That's the palm nuts right here. But this one is not good. This one is old. This particular palm is old. Palm tree is old, so this is not good. But if this owner decide to turn this particular tree into a wine tree to get some wine in it, they will just go ahead and poke a hole right in the middle or do whatever they do to get the wine flowing out. Once again, this is DJ Gabe. These are other things of Africa or Liberia that you might want to know about. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just natural, simple, and delicious. Very delicious at times. So, guys, once again, that tree I just show you, this is the juice that come out of it. Hold on, let me sip some. This what it can. This is volume, man. Say shout out to my YouTube.
Shout out.
There you go. Let me taste some of this juice. So that tree I just show you, the juice that came out of it. You know. See, I don't want to drink and drive because I'll be driving. But this is it. Yeah. You might want to try it one day. But it tastes good. Yeah. You know, this is tradition. If you come in this city, come in this county, come in this village, you have to have some of this. But I collected 2 bottles. that I've taken with me back to the city. I'm taking these 2 bottles with me back to the city. And pretty much that's it. Thank you for following. I'll keep bringing you more little things that you may not know about.